The first step, in my opinion, if you want to be successful, if you want to get your first deal, is research. Okay. Now, if you're interested in sub two, you've probably done a little bit of research. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe you just heard about it and thought, hey, man, if I can take over mortgages without having to qualify, that's a great thing. But is that necessarily a good fit for you? I don't know. You need to find out about that. Do some research. And if you've narrowed things down just to sub two, that's okay. But know that there are a lot of ways to handle sub two deals. Okay. And Jody and I have done all of this stuff. There's wholesaling, and we've had several conversations about, when I say wholesaling a sub two, I'm not talking about a simple assignment. And we've got other videos where we talk about that, about how to properly wholesale a sub two deal. But Jody and I have done that since we've been in Arkansas. And that's certainly something that you can do if you're not in a position to rehab or to keep properties. Maybe you don't have enough reserves where you feel like you're comfortable keeping a rental, and that's certainly a smart move for you. But of course, then the next step, rehabbing. What is going to be your plan for these deals that you're going to take down sub two? Okay. Is rehabbing an option for you? Do you have construction experience? If you're broke, do you have the money to rehab a deal where you've taken over the payments? The last house that we took over, sub two, we rehabbed it, and we've done the last couple that way. Actually, rehab them and list them. So that may be a way that you want to go. But some of this, it's sort of like if you've ever been a painter, and you guys know this if you've ever done this job. To be a good painter, 75% of the work is the prep. It's the background stuff. It's the sanding the surfaces and prepping the walls and the trim and doing the taping and the masking. And then the painting part, the actual painting part, goes pretty quickly, but it's all the background stuff. And it's not any different with real estate. If you're not getting traction when you're getting started, it may be because you haven't done some of this background work. Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.